Ayan, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another house model ni Asian Land, which is in Grand Royal, ang ating Malia. So, ito medyo malaki lang yung space rito, pero dahil model house siya, pero ang available lot natin is 96 square meter and ang ating house floor area ay 76 square meter, 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And look at this na meron kayong carport, cover carport garage. Here is our area. Couch. You can decide whatever you want. And then just go here. And here is our dining area. Pwede kayo dyan maglagay. And actually, meron malaking space pa dito sa ating ilalim. Mostly, ang ating countertop sink ay nandito sa loob, pero you can request na sa labas siya, pero additional payment. And here is our toilet and bath. So mostly, ayan. So, sakto lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kalakihan kasi ito na yung shower area nyo. Pero ang ganda kasi yun nga, pwede kayo malagay ng heater. And if you see the lining, ayan, diba? Yung biga ba? Ayan, solid and window. Ayan, so mostly naman sa 96 square meter, meron pa rin talaga matitira sa likod, but hindi lang ganito kalaki, hindi lang ganito kalaking space. Pero you can choose pa rin sa mga available lot area natin kung may mas malaki pa sa 96 square meter. Hello! Ayan. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ang aming Facebook account, HomeKey2017. Hanapin nyo lang sa YouTube, Clarice sa Kanilaw. And we have TikTok and Viber, WhatsApp. You can contact me anytime if you have inquiry. And look, this stair. So, talagang solid. And we have, yan no, may window and this dito rin. So, ample lights coming in. Natural lights. And we have this metal railings. Your first bedroom here in second floor, which is the smallest one. So they custom it a sofa bed with a TV. So mostly pinapakita lang sa inyo na pwede dito ang single kung isang tao, and meron pang ample space for dresser and table. So here is the second toilet and bath, which is almost same sa baba. And we have that electricity for and window. Our second bedroom here. There's a corner window and natural light coming in. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. And space pang konti. So, pwede to double bed or yung double deck. Ayan. So, ito may dresser. So, maluwag to. Mas malaki to compared dun sa kanina. Here, last, our third bedroom, which is master. Ayan, makita nyo naman, malaki. And I think it's queen size bed. And we have dresser. So, you have enough space here to put a table. Or isagad nyo dito yung bed ninyo para mas may space kayo sa kabila. So, if you like this unit, don't hesitate to contact us. Because marami pong model ang ating Asian Land, hindi lang po sa Grand Royal. So, don't forget to contact us. Thank you. God bless.